Hello and welcome back to Food and Nourishment Kitchen. Today is a busy day ahead of me. You know what that means. I have to prepare something easy, something fast, but delicious, of course. So in this kind of situations, I'm always trying to find some solution to speed up the process. And that's why today I decided to use my favorite homemade frozen meatballs. I will combine them together with a very nice creamy mushroom sauce, cooked rice, and wonderful salad on side, providing everything what one nutrition meal have to have it: vitamins, carbs, proteins, and of course, trying to combine all of this in less than 30 minutes. If you missed how I was making these wonderful homemade meatballs, visit our channel. There is a podcast related to the meatballs. I really have no time. I have to start to cook. So I will start first by cooking the rice because this needs longest. I will just prepare it and let it cook on side and start with the sauce. So let's get started. our dinner is served. And trust me, this was faster than ordering pizza or burger. I was preparing one ingredient while the other was already cooking. So this helped me to manage to prepare all of this wonderful meal within 30 minutes. I will give it a try because I'm already dying hungry. For the meatballs, I don't even want to comment. They're perfect, as always. Sauce with the mushrooms, creamy, taken the smack or a little bit taste to say from the meatballs. Combination is just fitting. If this wonderful meal was catching your attention, give big thumb up. If you want to see more from Foodie Nourishment, our style of cooking and our wonderful meals, subscribe to our channel, support us, and we will be happy to share with you. So, see you next time.